Welcome to Yoga by Carly. I have a yoga for hips practice for you today. Let's go ahead and get started at the center of our mats. Coming into our mountain pose, feet hip width distance apart, grounding through all four corners of your feet, heart above pelvis, crown above heart, arms down to your side. Let's take a couple deep breaths, moving our arms up above our head. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Now find your Ujjayi breath. In through the nose, out through the nose. Setting your intention for today's practice. Go ahead and take your gaze up to the sky and look down at your toes. Up to the sky and look down to your toes. One more, up to the sky and look down to your toes. Flop your arms to your sides. Shake out your wrists a little bit. And slowly begin to helicopter your arms around your body, moving with your breath. In through the nose, out through the nose. Speed it up just a little. And begin to slow down, coming back to center. Step your feet together, forming a straight line from head to toe. Inhale up, palms together, and lean to the right side, opening up your left body, keeping your heart open. Inhale, come up and switch sides. One more breath. Inhale, rise. Moving into our moon salutation now. Bring your hands into a V shape above your head, pulling your fingertips apart as far as you can. Take a wide stance. Toes pointed out wide. Take a deep breath in. Stretch your body. And exhale, move into our goddess pose, bending your knees, bending your elbows, trying to bring your quads almost parallel to the ground if you can. Chest up, chin up. Inhale, come up, bring your arms down to your side or out to your side, palms facing down. Rotate your right foot so that your toes are facing forward. Left foot pointed out. Pop your hip just a little bit. We're gonna move into our triangle pose. Begin to drop your left hand to the ground. It might fall at your shin or your thigh today. And once you find your spot with your hand, Take your right hand to the sky and gaze up at your fingertips, opening up your chest. Feeling that yummy stretch in the back of your thigh. Now begin to lower your right hand down to the ground. Bring your hands to the outside of your foot. Turn your back foot to about a 45-degree angle. Inhale, halfway lift, straighten your back. Exhale, collapse your body down, pyramid pose. Making sure your feet are rooted to the earth. Inhale, halfway lift. Rotate your back foot around. Begin to drop your knee to the ground, planting the top of your right foot to the ground. Knee above ankle on your left leg, palms facing each other. We're going to move into our crescent lunge. Begin to raise your arms to the sky, opening up your chest, looking up just a little bit if you can. Breathing through that right hip flexor, feeling it open up. Using the top of your back foot to take pressure off of your knee if you need. And exhale, waterfall your hands down to the outside of your foot. Curl your toes under and begin to walk your body around, rotating your feet as you go, stopping once you get to center and moving into a low yogi squat. Your toes are pointed out. Begin to bend your knees. Elbows to knees, drop your glutes as low as you can. Find your breath. Let's hold this for 3 more breaths. And drop your hands in front of you and continue to walk into your crescent lunge on the other side, rotating your feet, dropping your back knee, top of your back foot, opening up your left hip flexor, raising your hands up to the sky. Keeping your top foot planted, your back foot planted through the top of it. And on your next exhale, waterfall your hands down. Begin to straighten your back leg, bringing your foot to a 45-degree angle, moving into our pyramid pose. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, collapse your body down. Breathing through the back of your hamstrings. Inhale, halfway lift. Bring your right hand to the inside of your right foot. Bring your back foot with the toes facing forward and begin to draw your left hand up to the sky, taking your gaze to your fingertips. Triangle pose. Good. Now begin to raise your body, arms out to your side. Rotate your toes again so that they are pointed out. We're going to move into goddess pose one more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend your knees, bend your elbows. See if you can go just a little bit deeper than before. Hold it here for 5 breaths. Keep your shoulders slightly pulled back. Core tight. Exhale, begin to straighten your arms, straighten your legs, drop your arms to your side, come back into mountain pose, and breathe. Now take your feet a little bit further than hip width distance. Toes pointed out. We're going to move into our Malasana, or our low yogi squat. Put your hands on top of your thighs. Begin to run them down your legs as you bend your knees and try to bring your glutes almost to the floor, just as low as you can, keeping your feet planted. Once you get as low as you can, bring your elbows to your knee and find prayer pose at your heart. Breathe. If you need to come out of this pose, go ahead and do that. Just a couple more breaths. Drop your hands in front of you. Begin to raise your glutes to the sky. Rotate your feet so your toes are facing forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, collapse your body down. Forward fold. Inhale, come up. And come to the top of your mat. Inhale, deep breath up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And we're going to push our left foot back into a low lunge position. If you need to, you can drop your knee and hold it like that. From here, if you can, bring your hands to your thigh, interlacing your fingers, pushing your body up, and breathe. Drop your hands down to the outside of your feet. Push back, downward facing dog. Bring your left foot forward, low lunge. Take a moment, breathe. And if you can, bring your hands to the top of your thigh. Interlock your fingers. Breathe. And drop your hands down, push back, downward facing dog. Hold that there for a breath or two. Bring your right foot into that low lunge position again. Now bring your right hand to the inside of your right foot, and we're going to move into our lizard position. Again, you can drop your back knee if you need to. Trying to bring your elbows to the ground. This is such a good stretch for your hips. Breathing into your hips. Strong legs. Keep that heel driving back. And slowly move back into downward facing dog. And take a breath there. Switch sides. So finding your low lunge. Bringing your left hand to the inside of your left foot. Dropping your back knee if you need to. and coming onto your elbows for lizard pose. Breathe. And slowly come out of that. Push back into downward facing dog. And let's pedal our legs here for a moment or two. Finding our breath. Now melt your heels to the floor, pulling your hips to the sky. Inhale, look up between your hands. Bring your knee in between your hands for our pigeon pose. The top of your back foot is planted in the ground. Push your body up, opening up your chest. Feeling that delicious stretch in your glutes, in your hip flexor. Now push back into downward facing dog, and let's do the other side. Keep your hands planted in the ground, opening up your chest, find your breath. Breathe into that right hip flexor. I know you can feel it. One more breath. And push back into downward facing dog. Pedal your legs for a couple breaths. And slowly begin to drop your knees. Step your knees out wide and push back into a wide leg child's pose. Resting your hands and your forehead on the mat. You can move into this pose anytime you need. Now slowly begin to walk your hands up to meet your knees, to meet your body. And move on to your glutes into a wide leg forward fold. Toes pointed up. If you need to bend your knees, go ahead. Adjusting your glutes so that you are planted into the ground. Take a deep breath, look up. Exhale, begin to walk your hands in front of you, moving with your breath. See if you can collapse just a little bit further with your breath. And slowly begin to walk your hands back up. Grab underneath your knees, bending your legs and moving into a butterfly pose. Drop your knees to your sides. Bring the soles of your feet to meet. Go ahead and give the inside of your feet a little bit of a massage. Grab your ankles. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, collapse your body down. Breathe into the lower body, the lower chakras. And slowly begin to come up. Keeping your hands on your ankles, begin to flutter your knees just like a butterfly. Keeping your feet on the ground, keeping your spine up straight, looking forward. Good. Now grab the outside of your knees, push your legs together slowly. Drop the soles of your feet to the ground. We're going to slowly roll back. Bring your hands in front of you into a little boat pose variation and slowly roll back vertebrae by vertebrae. Drop your hands to your side. Bring one foot to the sky and the other foot to the sky. Flex and point your toes a couple of times. And bring your right leg over your left leg. Bend your knees. Bring your arms out to your side and collapse over to your left, looking over your right shoulder. Opening up your glute, opening up the right side of your body. Just breathe. And slowly bring your knees back to the center. Kick your feet to the sky. Cross your left leg over your right. And drop your legs down to the right side, looking over your left shoulder. Feeling that nice twist in your spine. Opening up your left body. Now slowly come back to center. Kick your feet back up to the sky. Point your toes. Flex your feet. Grab the outside of your feet. Bring your knees into your armpits and move into happy baby. Opening up your hips, opening up your pelvis, stretching your hamstrings. Roll back and forth just a little bit if you'd like to give your back a little massage. You can straighten your legs, whatever feels good to you. And bring your legs back to center. Drop your feet to your mat. Straighten your legs, point your toes, lift your hands above your head, making a full body stretch, pulling from your fingertips to your toes, and release down. Hands down to your side, relax your feet. You did a great job today. Now let's move into Shavasana. Close your eyes if you'd like. Find your breath. And you begin to feel a wave of relaxation move down your body, beginning at your crown. That relaxation begins to wash down your forehead, your eyelids, your jaw and your neck. Relaxing every muscle it touches. Moving down your chest, into your shoulders, your biceps and your triceps. Relaxing your forearms, relaxing your hands and your fingertips. Moving into your belly, relaxing your pelvis and your hips, spending a lot of time there, feeling that relaxation wash through. Down your legs, into your knees, your shins, your feet, and finally your toes. Feel that relaxation wash all over you. Now bring your attention back to your body, back to your breath, back to the present moment. Begin to wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, and flutter your eyes open. Roll onto your side, resting your head on your bicep for a moment. Very slowly pushing yourself up into a seated position. Crossing your legs in front of you. Let's take a deep breath, arms up. Exhale, palms together at your third eye. Palms together at your heart. Namaste.